Okay, so this lecture does not actually have a lecture number because it is an update that Twitter have made that I thought was super valuable to let you guys know about. Essentially, I outlined it a little bit earlier, but it's called the pinned tweet. And as you can see on my account, this tweet is the only one that is not in chronological order. March 20, November 26, November 1, September 18. This one is July 12. This is of 2014. And as you can see, also it has a ton of engagement. So if I want to see the tweet activity, over 36,000 people have seen it and 754 people have engaged with it. So they have retweeted it or favorited it or clicked on it. And this function does exactly what you think it does. It just pins the tweet to the top of your newsfeed. So when people go to your profile, so I go to NAB's profile, NAB's National Australian Bank, for those of you who aren't Australian, you can see they have a short video pinned to the top of their profile. And they have a call to action within their video, which is quite neat. But this video is going to get more interaction than a random tweet that is not pinned, because as soon as you get to their profile, that's the first thing you see. So very critical to take advantage of this. I'm going to talk about two different ways you can do this. One, you can do similar to what I have done, is you can have something that represents the personality of your Twitter page. So I have a cool quote here by Will Smith. I didn't actually get to tag him because I ran out of characters. But people connect with this quote and they feel motivated and they like this quote. So it's really easy to engage with. Alternatively, my old pinned tweet was advertising one of my ebooks on Amazon. And this was pinned for a while, and you can see it got a lot less interaction, but the call to action is something much more beneficial than a retweet, is someone buying or clicking on my book to view my book. So you can take one of the two ways. You can have a strong call to action with a really highly valuable result, such as buying your book, or you can have something that helps represent your page to increase the amount of people who are going to follow you and interact with that, and therefore the further your account gets out there in the Twitter world. So to pin the tweet, all you have to do is you can come down to any of your old tweets, and you simply have to click more and then pin to your profile page. Please note, if you have retweeted someone, you will not be able to pin a retweet to your page. It has to be directly tweeted by you using this tweet function here. So that's the pinned tweet. I highly recommend that you split test a few pinned tweets and seeing what's getting the best results for your business or personal page.